Okay, now I'm going to pour myself 2 of these to keep long term. And we'll be very careful not to spill because I still have to review this one. There we go. Oof, right to the top. Okay, and the second one. Oh, I spilled a little bit there. There we are. Just enough left to review, and then some, I think. All right, time to cap those. When you pour them this full, you got to put that cap on very carefully. And don't be afraid to squeeze those tight. I've had a couple of people who I've traded samples with who've had some leaky bottles. Is that watertight? Well, it should be. Oh! On second thought, you better leave a tiny little bit of space in there. Let that be a lesson to me and to you. Oh my God. Oh, that poor whiskey. Oh, that was the coolest dumb thing I've ever done, and it's been recorded on YouTube. Great.